unboxed, and I couldn't be happier with the way it looks. The size is perfect. It's great for your bathroom, your bedroom, by a vanity, anything like that. You're gonna have the nice rounded edges, so that's gonna make it nice and modern. The LED light that goes all the way around is perfect for doing your hair and makeup and getting that flawless look. So there's gonna be 3 different settings. This is gonna be the cool. What you're gonna do is touch it to change, that's neutral, and then there's warm. So it's really nice that it's super easy to change. If you want to dim it, all you're gonna do is long press it, hold it down, and it's gonna get dimmer, and stop wherever you want, hold it down again, and it's gonna get brighter. Back off, you can do that as well. So I love that it's all interchangeable. As you see, there's a blue light right here. If you don't want that on, you're just gonna long press it for a few seconds and it turns off. Same thing, if you wanna turn the fog light off, turning that off just super quick. You're gonna have a user manual, simple, easy instructions. Right on the back, it shows you the features and how to use those buttons. And then you're also gonna get the hardware if you wanna hang this up. So everything here is complete. I'm super excited about this, you guys. I hope you learned something today and go get your own. Thanks for watching.